to my channel. I'm KAVIARKEZ. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this Wear and Go wig. That's literally thebomb.com. It's perfection in a curly wig and you're going to need this. I promise you. Stick around. Today's hair sponsor is Wig Fever. I have installed a 26-inch deep wave 4x6 ready to wear. This also comes with a strap so you can wear her glueless like I have her installed today. Literally just take her off, put her on, take her off, put her on.
Wait, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you.
This is what the knots look like after I bleached it. You see that? It's giving very invisible.
I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay.
Look at that, you guys. She's ready to go. Like, that's it, that's all. We are done here, bye. You guys, this is insane. Yeah, I knew bleaching the knots was gonna be the right thing to do. Can we talk about this plucking? This pre-plucking that it has? Oh my goodness, it's perfect. Wow.
Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters.
You guys, that's it. That is it, you guys. You don't need no baby hair. It's literally perfect. The pre-plucked hairline, guys, look at that. Amazing. The only thing I would do is probably clean up my part because it looks pretty good, but I feel like we can do better. I'm gonna seal in the hairspray. I'm just spraying some water because I did kind of mess up my curls, my waves, and I just wanted to fix that a little bit. But oh my god, you guys, this wig is gorgeous. Look at it. It's that easy, you guys. Like, this wig is not going anywhere. The hairline is perfection. I bleached the knots before I even put this wig on, and that's all I did. Like, you guys saw how easy that was. And it's giving melted. Like, there's no way to detect this lace. Like, tell me. Can you see the lace? If you have to get that close to see it, then nobody's gonna see it. Yes. Yes, 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 100 times. Yes. Go get you one. Okay, that was definitely the easiest install. And this wig is absolutely gorgeous. In the 26-inch, it's giving everything it's supposed to give. This is a deeper parting space. It's like 4x6, so you can see it goes all the way there. And that's the good thing about these dome caps. They lay really flat to your head. They are very comfortable, and they tend to be a wider parting space here. I love it, you guys. This lace is just the best HD lace I've seen on one of these units, like hands down. Like, there's nothing bad to say about it. It's 10 out of 10. I love the pre-plucked hairline. If I can only learn to pluck my wigs that look exactly like that. I love this unit, you guys. It's beautiful, it's full. I didn't even comb through this section here. The curls are so soft. You don't need any products on the curls. When I washed it, I just literally washed it with some shampoo, and then I don't remember if I used any conditioner. I don't think I did. And I just let it air dry, brushed through it and let it air dry. And this is what we have. Are you kidding me? I definitely recommend. I'm literally obsessed with this unit. I'm blown away because the hairline, the lace, the wig, the fit, everything is a 10 out of 10. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to bleach the knots, you don't have to. But if you want it to look this good, sis, go ahead and bleach those knots. Don't even waste your time because it's really going to make a difference. If you really want to level up this wig because it is looking a little lighter, I'm sure you could go in with maybe some of your foundation. I'm going to get a little brush. And this is not a requirement, but if you wanted to make it look more realistic, put some foundation on the lace. Like, no one can tell that that's a wig at all. And now we have the more realistic blend. That's the whole purpose of Wear and Go. There's no fuss, there's no work required. It's very low maintenance. It's just a beautiful wig, guys. I can't say it enough. Like, it's just bomb.com. Like, look at this. This wig is definitely getting a 10 out of 10. It's my new favorite wig because it has the deeper parting space. Like, it goes from here to here. That's very wide parting space. For all you know, this is a frontal wig and I'm gonna leave it there. I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.